So here is a full tutorial on Looker Data Studio. Looker Studio is a no-cost tool that turns your data into informative, easy to read, easy to share, and fully customizable dashboards and reports. It's very easy to use, but learning it can be challenging if you're just starting out. So, if you're new to this, click on my link in the description to get started. So once you click on my link, you will be redirected to the Looker Studio dashboard right here. From here, if you look at the left panel, you will get to see Create, then Recent, Shared with Me, Owned by Me, and Bin. And after that, you have Templates. And here, you will get to see all the other options available for you to use, such as Reports, Data Sources, Explorer. And here are the templates that you can start with. So click on Template Gallery on the top right, and after that, you will get to see a lot of templates to choose from. So just go through them and select whichever one that you prefer. Now, I will go ahead and click on Create on the left panel. Then, from the options available, I will go ahead and click on Report. After that, you will get to see this pop-up option. Now, you need to put in your basic info, starting with your country. So click on the drop-down and scroll through to find your country. And as you can see, all the available options are listed right here. So I will scroll through and select my country. After that, you need to put in your company name. So, for an example, I will type in Techno. Then, you need to agree to the terms and conditions right here. And after that, you can see how Looker Studio can help. Here, you can see 3 points that you can consider. Then, what you need to do is click on Continue right here. Now, wait for it to load up and move on to the next page. Here, you will get to see some options to select which updates you want to receive. Here, you can click on Yes to All. Or, you can also select Yes and No individually based on the update options. So, on tags and recommendations, I will go ahead and select No. And No for product announcements as well. After that, go ahead and select for market research. Here, I'll go ahead and choose Yes, and then click on Continue. After that, you will be redirected to another section, so wait for it to load up. And as you can see, we now have a blank report. Here, you have options to add data to report, so go through the options and select the one that you want. You will get to see a lot of services that you can choose from, and a lot of them are from Google. You can also see partner connectors right here, and as you can see, they have 1051 connectors. So, go through them and select whichever one that you like. If you keep scrolling through, you will get to see a lot of big names and all the useful tools that you need. So just keep scrolling and find the one that you want. And this is all on the Connect to Data section. Now click on My Data Sources. And as you can see here, there are a lot of samples available. This is where all your data sources will be. You can also set who it is owned by and then last opened by me. This is to filter out the data sources. Now let's go ahead and click on Connect to Data and select Google Analytics from here. So click on Google Analytics, and after that, you can learn more by clicking on Learn More or Report an Issue. So now, go ahead and click on Authorize. After that, you will get to see this pop-up. Just choose the account that you want to use. And as you can see, it says you do not have any Google Analytics accounts. So, open a new tab. Search and go to Google Analytics. Then, click on the first link on the results. And once you're on this page, click on Get Started right here. After that, you will get to see this pop-up where you need to put your organization name. So I will type in Techno, same as the one I used earlier. Then click on Account Name on the Accounts to Link. Then click on Create on the top right corner. After that, just wait for a while for your organization to get created. And now, on this page, if you scroll down, you will get to see Google Analytics right here. So what you need to do is click on Setup. After that, click Start Measuring. Now, put in your account details, your account name, which is required. So I will put this and then scroll down and click on Next. Now, on the property creation, you need to put in your property name, which is also a requirement. Then click Next. On business details, you can select your business size. So go through the options and select the one that's suitable. Then, you need to select your industry category from the options available. After that, click Next and go to the Choose Your Business Objectives. Here, select whichever one that you prefer, and then click Create. Now, just accept the terms and conditions and click on I accept. So, once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you can choose to skip this for now. So I will go ahead and select that. Now, click on Continue to Home. So as you can see, we are now on the Google Analytics page. You will see your account name on the top left and also your organization name. Now, let's go back to the Looker tab. Here, you need to click on Tech Developer or the name that you chose. Then, select the property. After that, click on Add on the bottom right corner. Then, just wait for it to load up onto your Looker Studio platform. Note that sometimes it may take a little while to load up, so be patient and wait for it. So once it loads up, you will get to see this pop up right here. Click on Don't Show Me This Again and click on Add to Report. So as you can see, the report has been created and the data has been added right here. And since I do not have any data, it says no data. Here, you will get to see a lot of options that you can use to customize it, such as Setup and Style on the right side. Then, you can see your organization name and also event name if you want to add one. So scroll through these options and you can customize it according to your preference and your company demands. And on the further right, you will get to see data, and below it, there will be a lot of data about your company. And if you look at the upper panel, you will get to see a lot of additional options on the top right here. Click on Add Control and you will get to see multiple more features. And also, you can add images or embed URL. So from the right panel, let's click on Dimension and you will get to see this drop down with options. So I'll scroll through and select Add Unit. And you will see that Add Unit has been added on the report. Now I will go ahead to the metric section. Here, click on Add Metric. And as you can see, there are a lot of options as well. I will go ahead and select Active Users from the options. Then it will load up and add active users on the report. This way you can continue to add multiple metrics on your report. Just go through the options and choose the desired metrics from the list. And you can also use the right panel in order to edit these metrics as well. And that is exactly how to use Looker Data Studio.